What are the advantages of Velcro cricket gloves? When it comes to cricket, having the right equipment can make a big difference in performance. One piece of gear that often gets overlooked is the cricket glove. Specifically, Velcro cricket gloves have gained popularity among players. So, what makes them stand out? Let's break it down. First off, one of the biggest perks of Velcro cricket gloves is their ease of use. The Velcro straps allow players to fasten and unfasten their gloves quickly. This is especially handy during matches when every second counts. You can adjust the fit without any hassle, making it a breeze to get ready to bat or field. Next, comfort and flexibility are key benefits. Unlike traditional laced gloves, Velcro straps do not require tight lacing. This means your wrist can move freely, which is essential for batting and fielding. Quick hand movements are crucial in cricket, and these gloves support that agility. Another advantage is the inclusion of elasticated wristbands. These bands help keep the gloves snug on your hands while preventing sweat from running down your forearms. This feature is particularly useful during long innings, as it helps you maintain focus and grip without distractions. Maintenance is another area where Velcro gloves shine. Laces can wear out or break over time, which can be a nuisance. In contrast, Velcro straps are durable and easier to clean. If they do wear out, replacing them is straightforward and often more affordable than fixing laced gloves. Speaking of affordability, Velcro gloves are often more cost-effective. This makes them a great choice for amateur and club-level players who want reliable protection without breaking the bank. You can find a good pair of Velcro cricket gloves at various price points, typically ranging from $20 to $50, depending on the brand and features. In summary, Velcro cricket gloves offer a mix of convenience, comfort, and ease of maintenance. They are designed to fit a range of wrist sizes, making them accessible for many players. If you are looking for functional and user-friendly hand protection, Velcro cricket gloves are definitely worth considering.